Hi there, students. Stodgy, an adjective. Stodgily, the adverb. And stodge, the noun, uncountable. Notice this is a British word. Okay, the first meaning of stodge or stodgy, it's talking about food that is thick and heavy and filling and rather indigestible. So a bechamel pie, a white sauce pie, might be very stodgy, semi-solid, glutinous, starchy, heavy on the stomach and full of carbohydrates. A stodgy school pudding with custard, thick, heavy, indigestible, gelatinous. Not really very pleasant. But we can also use stodgy metaphorically to mean boring, uninspired, unimaginative. A stodgy middle-class person with no sense of humour. He wore a stodgy black suit. Traditional, old-fashioned, stuffy. A stodgy gentleman's club in the West End of London. So excessively formal, excessively conventional, so traditional that it's dull. The stodgy teaching style of an old-fashioned English teacher. So a staid, S-T-A-I-D, old fuddy-duddy can be terribly stodgy, terribly traditional and boring. The book was full of stodge. It was nothing but stodge from start to finish. It contained boring, conventional ideas, and it was nigh on impossible to read. It had stodgy ideas, and the language was stodgily expressed as well. Okay, so stodgy, boring, old-fashioned, hard to get through. A stodgy speech in the Houses of Parliament. So, stodgy talks about food, something that's glutinous, thick, filling, full of starch, gelatinous and pretty indigestible. I bought a stodgy pizza from a takeaway stall. And then stodgy ideas, excessively old-fashioned, unnecessarily formal and boring. Okay, so stodgy. Let's see, what about formality? I think I'd give this a 5 in formality. I think it's flexible. I'm wondering about using it in a very formal writing. I guess you could, but it's probably better for something slightly less formal. You could use it to mean boring, formal, indigestible, unimaginative. These are probably good synonyms. And then the origin. The origin's not totally clear. Apparently there used to be a verb in English, stodge, to stuff, to fill. Or it could also be a mixture of the words stuffy, unventilated, and podgy, rather fat. So fat and unventilated. It certainly has the right meaning at least. So I hope this video has not been too stodgily presented. So stodge, thick, undigestible, starchy, floury food, and conventional, boring, uninteresting, dull ideas or ways of doing things. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stodgy.